Today, you gotta eat teriyaki Atlantic salmon with Hokkien Noodle salad. Yeah, baby! A long name, but a great recipe. Melbourne is still in lockdown, and you can see the hair's getting out of control. But the numbers are going down, and hopefully we'll be out of lockdown soon. Today's recipe is a ripper. It truly is healthy, easy, and delicious. A great recipe for spring and summer. Let's rock! Here are the ingredients you need. To a small saucepan, add a 1/4 cup of water with 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Put the saucepan on medium heat and gently bring to the boil. Stir the marinade regularly. As it thickens, reduce the heat to low. As the marinade thickens to a nice consistency, turn the heat off and set aside to cool. Juice a lime and add 2 tablespoons to a small bowl. Grate the ginger and add 1 teaspoon to the bowl. De-seed the chilli and finely slice and also add it to the bowl. Add half the marinade mixture to the bowl and stir to combine. Add a small amount of water to the dressing to make it a nice consistency. Here's all the ingredients ready to go. Place the salmon fillets on a lined baking tray and generously coat with the marinade. Place the salmon fillets in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Whilst the salmon fillets are in the oven, place the noodles in a bowl and reheat according to the packet instructions. Top and tail the beans and snow peas and steam them until they are al dente. Place the lettuce leaves in a circle around the plate, placing the Hokkien noodles in the centre. Carefully place the salmon on the noodles before arranging the beans and the snow peas around the plate. A pleasing pattern is good for the appetite, but however you please is all okay. It doesn't have to be a pretty picture. Finally, add a lime wedge before arranging the coriander around the plate and drizzling it with a bit of the dressing. The teriyaki marinade will last about a week in the fridge, and you can also use it on chicken and tofu for delicious meals. It's my favourite time. It's taste time. That was delicious. Another great recipe from the You Gotta Eat kitchen. If you like that one, click like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Leave any comments below, especially if there's something you'd like me to cook. And remember, you gotta eat. Ciao.